Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another video where we are cooking on the grill. We literally just decided that we are going to make barbecue chicken tacos tonight, and we figured we'd bring you guys along. So welcome to another cooking video.
Head into the intro.
No, the intro happens before. Have you never seen one of our videos?
No.
The intro happens before we come on.
I was thinking like Dude Perfect where it goes.
No.
Dog eye, beard twins, purple hoser.
Dude Perfect's in overtime. And it's tall guy. Tall guy, beard twins, purple hoser.
Yeah,
Dude Perfect's in overtime.
Copyrighted, bro.
No, it's not. I am also going to make some Kraft mac and cheese because that's what I'm feeling, even though it doesn't really go with tacos.
It's gonna go with tacos.
EJ's gonna put some on his taco, which I think is kind of gross, but I'm not. I'm gonna eat it like normal. Side note, if you've seen our gardening video, you know that we planted cilantro. We just harvested our first batch of fresh cilantro. Look at this. It looks so good. So go check that video out if you want to see how we planted our raised garden. Our garden's beautiful, okay? So go check it out.
Alright guys, today we got Kingsford charcoal. Listen to that. I like to cheat a little bit and use a little lighter fluid so that it catches on fire quicker. I don't think it affects the taste. Sorry, Dad. I'm just impatient and hungry. Then I use one of these tumbleweed things. Pretty freaking awesome. You just set it under here. Light that joker on fire. Get a little fire going. Set your charcoal on top. And wait till the coals get gray. Alright guys, so today we're using the wood fire garlic from Kinders, we don't know. And we're gonna lather it with it generously. We're also going to be using the Weber Dry Rub Original flavor. Then we're going to flip. Alright, now we got white coals pretty quick. So we're going to pour it out right here. Into our little mountain. Then we're going to take our grill grate, throw it on here, let it heat up for a second, and then we'll scrape it off. I'm going to close the top so we get real hot. Leave the bottoms open so that the air comes in. We'll check our temperature here in a second, hopefully get up to about 300. Our grill's at 325. We're going to...
Oh gosh. No!
Baby!
It is okay. It is just a little dirty.
We're cleaning the grill now. We're at 325. Whew. And it is hot. I normally use probes in my chicken to know when to flip them and stuff because I'm kind of an amateur, but today they're dead. So we are quite literally having to go blind. So I've done this enough times. I think I know what I'm doing. Other than I just kind of said it the wrong way. Alright, whatever. We're going to set that down. Let it heat back up. Look at our watch, it's 6:05. We'll probably switch them at about 6:13 maybe. We'll see. Alright, it's been... Oh, we got one more minute, actually. One more minute. It's taken too many takes and we've actually let it sit on there a little long, so it's maybe a little burnt. So we're finna see. Oh, it's not bad. We're good. We're good. Got a little hot spot there. Good though, good. Listen to the sizzle.
Please also burn the mic.
Please don't burn the mic. I hope that sounded really good. We're gonna let it cook another probably 6 minutes. Then we're gonna put barbecue sauce on it. So at 6:22. It has been probably longer because I've been arguing.
No, it's actually not been enough time. He said 6:22. It's 6:21.
Oof. We might be burnt. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, no, we're looking great. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take them off the heat a little bit. I definitely accidentally poured way more barbecue sauce on here than I really wanted. But that's okay. We're just gonna get crazy with it.
Wow.
This is a Kansas City barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's. It's delicious.
It's actually really good.
Flipper. And hit her again. We're gonna let that chill for a second. And come pull them off here in a second. I've just had the greatest idea of my life. I think. Maybe. I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take some tortillas. Toss them down on here. Take some of this barbecue sauce. Hit it on some of the tortillas. Then we're gonna take them, flip them, are we still recording? Oh, yeah, we are. We've gotten our cutting board from Pawpaw, courtesy Pawpaw, Dating Lyles, shout out. And it kind of smells like our tortillas are burning a little bit. Maybe a lot of it. Ooh, nah, we're good. Ooh, that one did char a little bit. I'll probably have to end up eating that one. Then we're gonna take our cheese. Put it on here a little bit. This is my multi-purpose table today. It's a really expensive table. This Blackstone. And we're gonna cut into our chicken. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Fresh cilantro from our garden. This one's kind of big, so I'm interested to see how it tastes. Alright guys, I'm getting a little crazy here. Putting a little mac and cheese on top.
Gross.
It's not gross. Just what it needs.
Okay, ready?
Alright peeps, time to see
Here we go.
if this is any good. That's pretty good.
I like it. I might get a little Poncho's cheese dip on mine. Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's really good.
Our cilantro is pretty good.
Yeah? Good.
There you have it guys. Barbecue chicken tacos with mac and cheese on top. Or not. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe. Hope to see you in more videos. Peace.
Deuces.
Deuces.